Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Jain burrito wrap. Jain dietary principles are unique, focusing on nonviolence and purity. This means we avoid root vegetables like onions, garlic, and potatoes, as well as certain fermented foods. Our recipe will highlight fresh, vibrant ingredients that adhere to these guidelines, ensuring a wholesome and flavorful meal. We'll create a burrito that is both satisfying and respectful of Jain traditions, perfect for any time. Now, let's create the heart of our burrito, the filling. We'll start with a vibrant mix of finely chopped cabbage, colorful bell peppers, and sweet corn kernels, offering wonderful texture and natural sweetness. For a protein boost, add crumbled paneer or firm tofu, ensuring a satisfying bite. Season this delightful mixture with aromatic ground cumin, fragrant coriander powder, and just a hint of turmeric for a warm, inviting flavor profile that perfectly complements the fresh vegetables. With our delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble your perfect Jain burrito wrap. First, gently warm your tortilla for about 20 seconds on a dry pan. This makes it pliable and easy to roll without tearing. Next, spread a thin, even layer of a refreshing homemade mint chutney or a creamy, plain yogurt dip across the surface. Then, place approximately 1/2 cup of your flavorful filling slightly below the tortilla's center, leaving ample space around the edges for folding. To complete your masterpiece, fold the bottom edge of the tortilla up and over the filling, tucking it in tightly to secure the contents. Next, fold in both side edges towards the center, creating a neat package. Finally, roll the entire burrito firmly from the bottom all the way to the top, ensuring it holds its shape beautifully. Serve your freshly prepared Jain burrito wrap immediately for optimal taste and texture. Enjoy this wholesome, flavorful, and ethically prepared meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.